Hi there. It's great to have you back on my CryptoQ Media channel. Considering how many individuals I expect to sell XRP for a steal, I sincerely hope that everything goes well for you. Today I'll show you the video that proves my theory that XRP will go above 10 this cycle. An uprising. Is everyone here ready to go? Perhaps it's not what we were expecting. Check it out in the cell. I'm not sure whether it's true. Our confirmation was the most important thing. USC has created 200,000 RL in the past 2 hours, everyone. So concludes today's session. Today, 1,120,400, 80,000, 50,000, and 50,000 were struck by RL USC Treasury. Hello everyone. I maintain my claim that I was the first to use the term guys, even if we might have been the first. Everyone else would turn their backs on us. A Twitter account belonging to a digital asset investor shares their thoughts. Examine this graph. So I called the millionaire at XRP Las Vegas to find out whether RLUSD would support XRP like Tether supports Bitcoin. He responded by saying that, yes, that is an overall idea. I really regret not having done it sooner. Wow, the respondent exclaimed. About a year or two ago, we first argued that USCT may be used to artificially raise Bitcoin values. And consider the connection between Bitcoin and Tether, the two are very much interdependent, aren't they? When Tether starts printing, the value of Bitcoin skyrockets. The thing I tell the guys, though, is, in contrast to Tether and Bitcoin, XRP lacks its own pump mechanism. The letters R, L, U, S, and D make up XRP's unique pump mechanism. Presently, that is the reason we comprehend. For this reason, we did not invest in XRP but rather in Bitcoin and a small quantity of Ethereum. You can see for yourself that this is evidence of Tether's lengthy history of use. It was during the 2017 bull run that things became pretty heated, you guys. Look at this, everyone, it began to rise in 2017, and then it really took off in the 2021 bull market. Pay attention, everyone. Am I correct? I thought Tether started printing in 2016 or 2017. Throughout the cycle, it completely lost control. You all, where did XRP stand, though? During all of this time, to all appearances, nothing has changed. As far as XRP is concerned, nothing has happened. This disproves the idea that USCT inflows were shifting to XRP in any manner, and instead establishes that Tether was a middleman pumping Bitcoin. Because if it had been, it would have soared to the peak, but sadly, it fell short. Having said that, we now have our own pump mechanism. There is a difference, but listen up, guys. Yes, there is a difference. Regarding disparities, you are all aware that USCT is uncontrolled, aren't you? Unlike Tether, an impartial third-party accounting firm will audit our Luke, and we will periodically share the results. The entire amount is backed by liquid assets such as money, dollar deposits, short-term US Treasuries, or other assets that are not easily available. I don't understand why some people are ready to sell it for such a low price. Guys, now is the best moment to talk about it. I have included a Fibonacci level in this XRP USC chart, which is displayed on a weekly time scale. The foundation of this Fibonacci sequence is, after all, logarithmic skill levels, right? Put another way, it's a log chart. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you a log chart. Permit me to impart upon you all something of paramount significance. Values of cryptocurrencies and stocks do not stay static for decades before rising. When that happens, it will break the previous record. What does it feel like? 155% accurate? Let's say it's 200% because that's what most people assume. Everyone now thinks XRP will go 200% higher than its previous high. That is bizarre, I can hear you saying. Do you recall the last time you saw a stock, cryptocurrency, or stock market? How long was the consolidation process? You all, upon its eventual appearance, it refrained from devouring anything that crossed its way. Is it true? I don't get this at all. You all, such a massive spike in the price of XRP would be totally unreasonable. You hear me, guys? How does it come to be logical? Just take a look at this. It took much longer to solidify this time compared to the previous occasion. Recall that it surged 53 times to reach its prior peak. I am not trying to suggest that it is in any way Getting close to 53x again, folks, but if that happened, we'd be in the triple digits. Well, even if you cut it in half, we'd still be in the 90s, wouldn't we? It is possible, in my opinion, but many people sell for too little. In my opinion, this does not constitute financial advice. Pumping to just 10 doesn't make sense after this long of a range. Does it do what you like with this bull cycle, though? That is completely nonsensical. We should provide the charts as well, as our side also came up with the 7-year pricing range. Observe this. Alright, finally, the monthly interval was no longer an obstacle. It will be confirmed tomorrow, or it has already been confirmed. You all, tomorrow is going to be a game changer, because if our team can maintain a position above this level, namely this resistance line, we will have won the game. We can depart now. Are you guys prepared to soar through the air? Did we already bring up the 7 years of rebellion, and how many years is it in verse 7? Hello, everyone. I thought we were talking about 7 years, not 6 months, right? Maximum of 7 months. Round 7 of a poetry project that spans 7 years. Everyone believes Bitcoin will achieve 90k, right? And now we have XRP versus Bitcoin. Since there has been consolidation for 7 months, it is probable that it will keep going up. Price explosions occur during consolidations, especially bullish ones, right? I pray this settles with you. My guess is that nobody would understand that, so I really don't know. Keep an eye on it, because 8 on XRP is the end goal. It seems like a lot of people in the neighborhood are thinking about these fair prices, aren't you? But if you look at the charts, it seems to be going up, therefore I don't think it's guys. Can anyone guarantee that it will be 26 when this bull cycle concludes? The lengthier the better for us. Thus, in the end, it's everyone's right to have their own opinion. With the pump mechanism in place, I believe it will reach new heights. However, it is now under government control. We truly value having you here today. Until next time, subscribe and hit that like button on my channel.